For example, now if I am tagging gender, right? So I'm looking at my people or portraits group. I want to exclude where there is no gender assigned. And then you'll see as I go along, for example, let's select a couple of, okay, well, let's just do it with this first female tag. And then if I reload the search, then essentially there is one less. So we can go and repeat that process. Right up to there we have male. So I'm just going to check that. And then we have female. Okay, and I've assigned that. Now what I want to do is I want to save this as a search. Male, female, or non-specific. Right, and then let me just get to the last lot here. Okay, grandfather, I've tagged that as male, and then let's jump through these. That's all couples, so that would be both male and female. Right, so now that I've gone from top to bottom and isolated all the male, the non-specific, and those which contain both male and female, if I refresh my search now, what should essentially be left is only images of female actors in my images. And let's just scroll through it briefly to confirm this. Right. So it all checks out. So now I can just assign the rest of them, select all, and all that remains are female. And we'll let that run to assign the tags and synchronize them back into the file. So just to recap, that's a simple workflow that you can use. You select your category and then exclude keywords from a certain group that you've put together. And as you go, assign through all of them. Now when I refresh my search results, there should be 0 items left. Which means if I start filtering now, I can get all my items that I've tagged with female, ones that I've tagged with male, ones that are tagged with both, and ones that are non-specific. Now that would include toddlers and non-identifiable parts of bodies like hands and back portraits where you can't really see gender, etc. It's a very easy and straightforward way of grouping and categorizing your images together.